In this video, I'm going to show you how to add audio on Canva video. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Canva on your device and sign in to your Canva account. Once you're signed in to your Canva account, go ahead and head over to the file where you want to add an audio to. So go ahead and click on the file that you want to add an audio to. On this file, you'll be able to find a sidebar, which you'll find at the left corner of your screen. So go ahead and click on the upload button, which you'll find below the brand button. Go ahead and click on uploads to be able to upload your audio or record the audio using the Canva application. Go ahead and click on the audio section, which you'll find beside the video section. So in here, go ahead and click on record yourself to be able to record audio. Go ahead and click on while using the app, and this will allow you to incorporate an audio to your Canva video. You can also incorporate the video of yourself while you're creating the audio recording for the videos. Go ahead and click on the record button, and this will allow you to start recording an audio for your Canva video. Now, if you already have an audio saved on your device, you can just go ahead and upload it on Canva and incorporate it with your video. And that's how you can simply add an audio to a video using Canva. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.